This is the 2024 Forest River Cardinal RED 40SA toy hauler, currently on sale. You'll get impressed by this unique new fifth-wheel toy hauler design. The garage floor is lowered to give you a shallow entry angle. With the lowered floor, the entry height is 6 inches and still gives you a very spacious sleeping loft from the inside of the trailer, not in the garage with the gas and rubber smell. The garage floor is 10.8 inches and will accommodate a wheelbase of 5.4. The inside of the coach features a mid-living room with a big flat-screen TV, electric fireplace, comfortable recliner, love seat, and a big U-shaped dinette. The kitchen has lots of storage and counter space, and the back has a huge sleeping loft over the garage. The front bedroom features a custom king bed slide-out, full front closet, and space for a washer, dryer.